Hi, I'm Jana from ISH24. Every year, we host the Women's Rescue Training Week, which is 5 days of nationally accredited training covering disciplines in vertical and confined space rescue. This training is delivered in celebration of International Women's Day on March 8th, which is why we invite 8 women to join us on this course. Applications are open to women from across Australia and abroad, with previous years welcoming students from Canada and Taiwan. This training is being delivered at our ISH24 Rescue Training Centre right here in regional Victoria. To make this opportunity as accessible as possible, the training is delivered free of charge. You will only be required to cover your travel and accommodation. For more information about this course and application instructions, please visit the ISH24 website.